Hi, welcome to Naresh IT. This is Kishore and today we are going to discuss about C++ introduction. Now we are going to start C++ introduction. In this concept we are going to discuss about what is C++. Okay. According to this, C++ is general purpose, high level, compiler based and object oriented programming language. Okay. According to the introduction to C++, C++ is called, it is a general purpose, high level, compiler based and object oriented programming language. Now we are going to discuss one by one topic. So, okay, first say this. Okay, according to this, C++ is a general purpose, high level, compiler based and object oriented programming language. Now the first concept is C++ is general purpose. Okay. Now what is called general purpose? Why it is called general purpose? Here the purpose means usage. Here purpose means usage and general means what? Okay. Here general means what? For example, there is a general store. In general store we are able to get different types of items. Okay. Here very simple example, we are calling general store. In a general store we are getting different types of items. Okay. In the same manner, by using C++ also we are able to design different types of softwares. Okay. Here using C++ we are able to design different types of softwares. That is why C++ is called general purpose programming language, which is also called multi-purpose programming language. Now I will show you what are the softwares we are able to design with C++. Okay, just watch this. Now it is a C++ and using C++ we are able to design operating systems. First thing, using C++ we can design the operating systems. Now first topic, operating system, and I am giving the examples also. For example, DOS, Windows, Unix. Now all these are called operating systems and we are able to design these operating systems by using of C++. Next, using C++ we are also able to design editors. Using C++ we can design the editors also. Now what is called editor? The world best editor, the world best free editor, Notepad, WordPad and MS Office, MS Word is there and DOS Edit is there and Edit Plus is there. All they are called editors. That is why using C++ we are able to design operating systems as well as editors, and I am giving some of the examples and so on. Next, using the same C++ we are also able to design commercial applications. Using C++ we are also able to design commercial applications. Now the examples for commercial examples means commercial programs are nothing but, suppose there is a shop. In shop they have to conduct the bill. Now that billing program is designed with C++. Now the bank transactions which are conducted with C++. Not only that one, college, hotel, wherever you go, okay, all they are related to money. That is why when it is related to money they are called commercial. That is why using C++ we are also able to design the commercial applications like, okay, I am giving examples. For example, bank program, supermarket program and hotel program. Now all these are the programs we can design with C++ and all they are related to the money transaction. That is why it is called, when it is related to money transaction it is called commercial. That is why we are able to design commercial applications also. Next, using C++ we are also able to design database. Okay, using C++, we are also able to design database softwares. For example, the world famous Oracle, the world famous and popular database Oracle is there, and the total Oracle is designed with C and C++. That's why some of the examples for database are Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, and so on. Okay, now these are the examples for database applications, and by using C++ we are able to design the database applications also. Next, using the C++ we are also able to design translators. Okay, using C++ we can also design translator. Now translator, what is called translator here? Okay, here we are getting one doubt, what is a translator? Now here translator means nothing but a converter. Okay, and why we need the translators in our programming? Okay, and here we have to determine one thing. Actually, as a user we can understand only English, or we know only the English, but our computer doesn't know English operations, and the computer understandable code is binary code, which is also known as machine code. Okay, the total computer operations are going in zeros and ones, which are called binary code. Okay, as a humans we are not able to understand this binary code. That's why we know only the English and we are writing the programs also in English, but the computer is not able to read these English programs. Now what happens? This English program is later converted into machine code, which is called object code, and this one is conducted by translator. That's why translator work is it converts the user input, that means which is also called source code, and the computer understandable code is called object code. Now translator work is converting the source code into object code. Okay, that's why translator is doing what? It is converting the user input into machine understandable, and this process is called translation. And to conduct this operation we are using translator, and we are having three types of translators. Examples: compiler, interpreter, assembler. Okay, compiler, interpreter, assembler, they are called translators. Now the point is, here compiler and interpreter both are used to convert high level languages to machine code, and assembler is used to convert low level languages to machine code. Okay, here compiler and interpreter both are used to convert high level programs to machine code, and assembler is used to convert low level programs to machine code. And in C++ we are using compiler. In C++ we are using the compiler as a translator. That's why C++ is called compiler based programming language. Here in C++ we are using the compiler as a translator. That's why C++ programming is called compiler based application or compiler based programming language. Next, using C++ we are also able to design device drivers. Using C++ we are also able to design device drivers. Now what is called device driver? For example, there is a new printer. Now you are going to connect the printer with the device, means with our system. Okay, later you are going to make a printout, but your computer is saying no printer found. Okay, watch this example. Suppose there is a computer, you are going to attach a printer to this one. Now just assume it is a system and it is a new printer. Now paper is there, ink is there, everything is fine, and it is connected properly also. Later you are going to open MS Word. Okay, here you are going to design a letter. Later you are going for print option, but your computer says no printer found. But here the point is, printer is connected properly, printer connected properly, everything is fine, but our system is saying what, no printer found, because of here the system doesn't know about this printer. Now what we have to do, with every printer the company is providing one CD also, with every printer by default the company is giving one CD also, and now our duty is just insert the CD and install that software, CD software. Now the printer is detected. Now here the CD contains what, printer information, and that printer information is called printer drivers. They are called printer drivers. Not only that one, sometimes our keyboard and mouse, they are not detected, okay, or suppose you are having a pen drive, now you are going to connect the pen drive to your system. Now at the rightmost bottom corner it is showing one message, USB device not recognized. It is the common message we are getting in Windows. Why? Because means here your system is missing that corresponding drivers. Now they are called device drivers. They are called device drivers, and these device drivers are created with C and C++ softwares. Okay, that's why using C++ we are also able to design device drivers like keyboard, printer, mouse drivers, etc. Next, using the same C++, we are also able to design PC and mobile games. Okay, using C++ we are also able to design PC and mobile games. Okay, the best example, generally we are playing with Nokia mobiles, means once upon a time we are using Nokia mobiles. In Nokia mobiles there is a popular game called snake game. That snake game is totally designed with C and C++ softwares. Okay, not only that one, Mario is there, Super Mario, Dev game is there, Contra is there. All these games are designed with C and C++ softwares. That's why using C++ we are able to design operating systems as well as editors and commercial applications, database applications, translators, device drivers, and PC and mobile games. Not only this one, the especially C++, especially using C++, we are able to design protocols. It is the major advantage of C++. Okay, majorly C++ is used for designing the protocols. Okay, now what is called protocol? Simple example, there is in internet, every day we are working with internet. No, suppose when a website is opened, automatically it starts with HTTP. That means hypertext transfer protocol. Now that HTTP is designed with C++. Not only that one, FTP is there, file transfer protocol, Bluetooth transfer protocols. All these protocols are designed with C++ software. And here one more important point, 90% of telecom protocols, 90% of telecom protocols, they are designed in C++. That's why using C++ we are also able to design protocols. Okay, examples, HTTP, FTP, and so on. Okay, according to all these examples, using C++ we are able to design different types of softwares. That's why C++ is called, it is a general purpose or multi-purpose programming language. Okay, here that's why it is called general purpose or multi-purpose programming language. Now it is nothing but general purpose, which is also called multi-purpose. Okay, next, now what is called high level programming language? Why C++ is called high level programming language? Before going to start high level programming language, first of all, what is called program and what is called software and what is called language, and how many types of languages are we are using in designing the programs. Okay, now I am going to give that one software. First of all, I am going to start software. Now what is called software? Collection of programs is called simply software. Collection of programs is called software. Okay. Next, here collection of programs. Now here one point is there. What is a program? Okay, just watch it. Program means what? A set of instructions. Now a set of instructions is called a program. Next, here software means what? A set of programs or a collection of programs is called what? Software. And there is another definition for software. What is that means? Or it is a digitalized automated process. Now software is also called as per industry. As per industry, a software is also called, it is a digitalized automated process. Now what is called digitalized and what is called automated process? Now I am giving small example for this. Okay, just watch this. I said software means collection of programs. Now why it is called, just watch it. I am giving a diagram for this. For example, there is a media player. Now in media player there is a play button. Next, and here the slider is also there and it is showing the timing like this. Okay, now watch this example. Actually it is a media player and here it resembles the play button. Okay, now I am going to press this button. I am going to press the play button. Now what happens? In place of play button we are getting pause button like this. Now the play button is converted into pause button. Okay, and how this one is possible? Because of inside this play button there is a program. Okay, now this play button is nothing but a program. In that program what is written? When this button is pressed, convert the symbol into pause button. Suppose once again you are pressing the pause button. Now the pause button will become play button. That means now there is a program inside the button. Okay, that means now play button is a program. Next, here what it is? Backward, forward. Okay, or previous or next. Now the point is when this button is pressed, actually movie is going to backward. Now it is backward and it is the forward. Now here it is the stop button and here it is the equalizers and it is the volume. Okay, watch it here. Inside this button there is another program to operate the video and here also there is another program, here also program, and everything is program. That's why here VLC media player is called, it is a software. Okay, according to my explanation, software means what? Program. That means software is nothing but collection of programs. Okay, next, here software is also called what? It is a digitalized. It is a digitalized. Why? Because it is called digitalized. Say this here, the starting video time is 0000. Okay, now I am going to press the play button. After some time what happened? Suppose this button is going to reach here and it is showing, for example, 34 minutes 25 seconds. That means here how much time elapsed? 34 minutes 25. How can we say? Because of digitally they are displayed. Now this process is called digitalized. Next, what is called automated? Now in every media player there is a rewind button. For example, okay, in every media player there is a rewind button or okay, repeat button. Now I am going to press this button. What happens? After playing completion, means after completion of the playing, automatically your audio or video file is going to play. Now you have to press this button only one time. Here the point is we have to press this button only one time. Automatically every time it is going to repeat the process. Now this concept is called automated. This concept is called what? Automated. That means inside every button we are having a particular program to organize the topic. That's why software I said collection of programs, and they are automated and digitalized. Okay, that's why a software is called, it is a digitalized or automated process. Next, how many types of softwares are available? We are having basically two types of softwares. One is system software and another one is application software. Now the software is divided into basically two types. One is system software and another one is nothing but application software. Now what is the difference between system software and application software? Okay, I am giving very simple example for system software and application software. Okay, in our human body we are having several organisms, means several parts are there. Now all the parts are working when the heart is working. Okay, here watch it carefully what I am saying. We are having several body parts, but when the heart is working, then only all these body parts are working. Okay, for example, we are using the nose for smelling, okay, mouth for eating and ears for hearing. That means every organism is having particular task. Okay, now the point is when they are working, when the heart is working, why? Because heart is sending or heart is pumping the blood to the all the body parts. That means blood is carrying what? Power. When power is there, our all body parts are working. That means here eyes, nose, ears, all these are nothing but applications, because of each organism have a particular task, and here the heart is nothing but system software. For example, your system software is stopped. That means example, for example, when the heart is stopped, automatically our body also completely dead. That means all the body parts are not working. As usual, here also operating system is there. Every system contains one operating system. Actually operating system is called what? System software. Okay, operating system is called system software. And here suppose Tally is there, Oracle is there, okay, VLC media player is there, and all these are called what? Application softwares. Suppose your operating system is working properly, then only you are able to work with Tally or Oracle or C or C++ or Java, what it may be. Okay, and I am giving one more small example. For example, nowadays everybody is using Android mobile phones. In Android mobile phones, everybody is going to download WhatsApp and Facebook. Okay, in common I am giving. Now here I need the WhatsApp and Facebook. For Android mobile phones, we have to download the WhatsApp and Facebook from Play Store. Okay, and here observe it. I am going to open the Play Store, and from Play Store what I am downloading? Okay, apps. What they are called? Apps. Apps means what? Application software. That's why in my example, WhatsApp and Facebook, actually they are called application software. And for which device you are downloading WhatsApp and Facebook? For your Android mobile. Now the Android is the OS. Okay, for example, your mobile, your Android system is not going to open. Okay, now the WhatsApp and Facebook are not working. That's why I said OS is similar to our heart. When it is working, all the parts are working. Means when your Android mobile phone is working, then only you are able to work with either WhatsApp or Facebook. That's why WhatsApp and Facebook are application softwares, and Android, Windows, Unix, Linux and etc. They are called system software. Not only system software, OS, and here we are having device drivers, okay, and translators. They also comes under system softwares. That's why without system software there is no application software, and every application software is designed to perform a particular operation. For example, here Tally, we have discussed about Tally. Especially Tally is designed for accounting purpose. Tally is designed for accounts. Next, Oracle, which is very familiar, but it is designed only for database operations, only for database operations. And just before we have discussed VLC media player. Now the VLC media player is only doing what? Playing the audios, videos and images. That means it is only for media. It is only for media. Now Photoshop is there. Only the Photoshop is designed only for to manage the photos. That's why all these are called application softwares, and each application is designed to perform a particular operation. And when these application softwares are working means when your system software is working properly. It is the relation in between the system software and application software. Okay, thank you for watching, and in next section we are going to cover the remaining topic. Okay, thank you.